crushed it. This is how we designed the ultimate test kitchen with the one and only Christopher Peacock.
It's perfect.
So just like the heart of every home is your home kitchen, the heart of Williams-Sonoma is the test kitchen. Each year, we're developing over 300 recipes and 1,000 products. So we need a kitchen and a space that can support that level of production. This current test kitchen has been around for about 13 years, and it has some miles on it. So it's time for a little bit of an upgrade.
Hey, Belle.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you? So
Welcome
good to
the
see
showroom.
you.
My name's Christopher Peacock. We're currently sitting in my showroom in San Francisco in the Design Center. Tell me how you want this kitchen to feel.
You know, I definitely want there to be a warmth. And although we're in a professional space, I want people to feel like they're at home.
Okay, so this is your entire space.
This is our blank
empty.
canvas.
This is your blank canvas. I can see that I have wall space here. I have here. So now, okay, well, it makes complete sense to essentially place appliances around the perimeter. And then you've got these workstation areas where people can work. And there's also an entertaining element of this as well, right? Which we need to capture.
Yeah, we have a full bar dining area, even though it's a small space.
Okay, so this is really exciting. So the next stage really is for me to now, just put pen to paper and start hashing this out and drawing it. Sound good?
Amazing.
All right.
Dream.
So thanks for coming in.
Thank you
and
so much
I'll
for
see you
having me. I
soon.
can't wait.
How would I describe my design philosophy? The words that come to mind are practical and luxury. I start with the practical aspect by trying to understand how people are going to use this space. And then we want to make it luxurious, not as a byproduct of the practical side of it, but as an enhancement of the functionality of it. This space had to capture the combination of this residential space, but it also had to function for a culinary team. It was a real challenge getting that right.
Okay.
All right.
Are you ready?
I am.
The official buzz-in?
I am so excited.
Here, after you.
Oh my God. Oh wow. This is incredible. I'm literally going hot and cold.
I know.
It's incredible. Wow. So, we spent so much time talking about the functionality of this commercial kitchen, making it feel like a home. Like, how do we do it?
The functionality has improved so much. I mean, from like the drawers we designed to have an open cookware storage concept to the Monogram double refrigeration drawers, which just make it so easy to grab and go ingredients as we're cooking. Even things like where we put things in drawers. So the knives used to be all the way on the other side of the counter, and now it's just right behind us in the far corner. And obviously the countertops from Cosentino are indestructible. Okay, so this wall of cabinetry that didn't used to exist is now making use of an otherwise empty space.
Yeah, I remember when we were looking at this empty wall, it was such a gift to me because I know the storage was such a concern of yours. So it was kind of like a free wall for me to really help you out with.
I don't think I can choose a favorite part of this kitchen, but if I could, I think it might be the bar.
It obviously feels so different from the rest of the kitchen, and yet we're in the same room. And I love the fact that it's got its own personality. Just the functionality of it, right? I mean, you've got these two tall wine storage units, which are amazing.
I also love that this one built-in unit is very multifunctional. So obviously it's the bar, it's the wine columns, it's all of our bar tools and beautiful glassware, but it's also a storage closet for some personal items. I like to call this my NFL locker. While we're here, the lighting. I mean, we have to talk about the cabinetry lighting.
Yes, so it's a continuous light, and so you get an even glow across the whole cabinet.
It's pretty amazing. It's exactly what we talked about. I need a high five. It's exactly what I talked about.
It is so what we talked about. I mean, you see it for so long on paper, but wow, it's stunning.